Okay, so just a moment. We were on equation of a line. ठीक है? Few questions were left from equation of a line. Let's first finish that. You remember the concepts of equation of a line? You were there in the live class of equation of a line. You were there? But did you see the video? You were there. You were there online. You were on online. Okay, great. So you know what is basically equation of a line का concept. ठीक है? Okay. So the question is, next question, that is 16th question. Find the slope and y-intercept of the line 2x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So first we need to find the slope, which is m, and y-intercept, which is c. So any form of equation of a line which involves m and c, y is equal to mx plus c, which is slope intercept form. तो पहले इसको इस फॉर्म में लेके आएंगे. ठीक है? So for that we will write it like this: 2x minus 4 is equal to 3y, या 3y is equal to 2x minus 4. Now y को will remove its coefficient, so divide 3 on both the side, we get y is equal to 2x minus 4 by 3, which gives us y is equal to 2x by 3 minus 4 by 3. So this form which you see over here, exactly looks like y is equal to mx plus c. That means we just have to do the comparison. What is the coefficient of x? 2 by 3. That is the slope, which is 2 by 3, and y-intercept is minus 4 by 3. Y-intercept is minus 4 by 3. Easy? Very easy question, right? Given two straight lines, 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0. Find the value of k for which the given lines are parallel to each other and perpendicular to each other. So we know one fact: when two lines are parallel, great, ठीक है. When two lines are parallel, m1 is equal to m2. That means their slopes are equal. When two lines are perpendicular, m1 is equal to minus 1 upon m2, or m1 times m2 is equal to minus 1. The product of their slope is minus 1. So these two relations we have to use here. Now what are our two lines? First line is 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. What is the slope of this line? If I want to find the slope of this line, I need to first convert it into the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So it will be 3x minus 5 is equal to 2y, or 3 by 2x minus 5 by 2 is equal to y. So that means the slope here for the first line, which is m1, is 3 by 2. है ना? Slope is 3 by 2. Now the second equation, which is 2x plus ky is 2x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0. 2x plus ky plus 7 equals 0. So this becomes 2x plus 7 is equal to ky, and y is equal to 2 by k times x plus 7 by k. 2 by k, yes, you are right, minus ky. So this also will be minus. Minus k will come here, and this also will be minus. Minus 2 by k x minus 7 by k. Right? So what is the slope over here? M2 minus 2 by k. Minus 2 by k. And we have to find the value of k for which the lines are parallel and for which the lines are perpendicular. So number 1, when lines are parallel, m1 will be equal to m2. m1 is 3 by 2, which is equal to m2, which is minus 2 by k. So k will go that side. 2 2s are minus 4 by 3. So when the lines are parallel, the value of k is minus 4 by 3, which is correct. And the second question is find the value of k when the lines are perpendicular. So when the lines are perpendicular, m1 times m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 is how much? 3 by 2 times m2, which is minus 2 by k, is equal to minus 1. So 2 and minus 2 cuts, I get minus 1 here. K goes to the other side. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 is equal to minus 1 k, minus 1 times k. Minus minus cancels and k is equal to 3. So when the lines are perpendicular, the value of k is 3. When the lines are parallel, the value of k is minus 4 by 3. Easy? Next, find the equation of the line passing through 2 comma minus 1 and parallel to this line. Okay, so I have to find equation of a line which is parallel to 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now see the equation 2x minus y is equal to 4. What is its slope? 2x minus 4 is equal to y. So y is equal to 2x minus 4. So the value of slope is 2. For this line, the value of slope is 2. I have to find equation of another line which is parallel to this given line. So slope of our given line is also 2. हमारे given line का slope क्या है? 2. Slope of our given line is also 2. ठीक है, slope तो मिल गया. Now we know that it is passing through 2 comma minus 1. 2 comma minus 1 ये क्या है? ये एक पॉइंट है जिससे हमारी लाइन पास हो रही है. और स्लोप क्या है? 2. ये क्या है? स्लोप. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ अ लाइन कौन से फॉर्म से बनाएंगे हम? स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म. सो व्हाट इज द स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म? y minus y1 is equal to m bracket. यही है ना फॉर्मूला? नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज y1 minus 1 m 2 bracket x minus what is x1? Correct? So this is y plus 1 is equal to 2x plus 4. Oh, sorry, minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4. Okay? So 1 plus 4 is equal to 2x minus y. So 2x minus y is equal to 5. That is our required equation of a line. 2x minus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 2x minus 5. No problem. No problem. Find the equation of the line which passes through the point minus 2 comma 3 and perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. So एक लाइन है 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. पहले इसका हम स्लोप निकालेंगे. So 3y is equal to minus 2x minus 4 और y is equal to minus 2x by 3 minus 4 by 3. So the value of slope is minus 2 by 3. Now our line, our required line is perpendicular to the given line. Our required line is perpendicular to the given line. Hence, ये suppose m1 है, ठीक है. तो m2 क्या है? Slope of our required line. Slope of our required line, which is m2 is equal to minus 1 upon m1. ऐसे भी तो लिख सकते हैं. लिख सकते हैं ना. So therefore m2 will be equal to minus 1 by minus 2 by 3. That is minus 3 by minus 2 or 3 by 2. So what we have got? We have got the slope. Now we have already been given the point. Point क्या है? Minus 2 comma 3. Our line passes through minus 2 comma 3. Therefore equation of line can be found by using slope point form. Slope point form. So y minus y1 is equal to m bracket x minus x1. So y minus 3 is equal to m is 3 by 2 bracket x minus x1 is minus 2. Okay, so here this 2 will come this side, 3 will remain here, x plus 2. So you get 2y minus 6 is equal to 3x plus 6. Let's simplify this. So we get 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 12 or 3x, y minus 12 because 6 will go that side, 2y will come this side. 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 12 or 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0. Even if you write it in terms of y is equal to mx plus c, that's not a problem. They all are same. Right? 2y is equal to 3x plus 12, that's also fine. Next question. गिवन 2 पॉइंट्स ए एंड बी, ए और बी दोनों की वैल्यू पता है, फाइंड द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए बी. This is not from this chapter. This is from midpoint and section formula, section and midpoint formula. So can you find the midpoint? What is the formula for midpoint? X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equal to, so midpoint को हम लोग m नाम देते हैं. It will be -5 plus 1 by 2, that is -4 by 2, which is -2, the x coordinate, and y coordinate will be 2 minus 4 by 2, that is -2 by 2, that is -1. Midpoint. Slope of AB. तो ये तो पहला हो गया. सेकेंड हो गया स्लोप. स्लोप का एक फॉर्मूला है दोनों पॉइंट से, y2 minus y1 अपॉन x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1. y2 is -4, y1 is 2. -4 minus 2, -6 upon x2 minus x1. 1 minus -5. 1 minus -5, that is 1 plus 5, that is 6. So slope will be -1. Slope of perpendicular to AB. This is slope of AB. Slope of perpendicular to AB is -1 upon slope of AB. You agree? सही है ना? परपेंडिकुलर का स्लोप नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल होता है हमारे गिवन लाइन के स्लोप का. सो -1 by 1 which is, sorry, -1 by -1 which is 1. Slope of perpendicular is 1. Equation of perpendicular bisector of AB. अब परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ऑफ AB उसके AB के मिड पॉइंट से पास करेगा. ये क्या है? दिस इज मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AB and it will have the slope equal to 1, है ना? मतलब वो किस पॉइंट से पास हो रहा है और उसका क्या स्लोप है परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर का, दैट आई ऑलरेडी नो. दिस इज द स्लोप ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर एंड इट इज पासिंग थ्रू द मिड पॉइंट, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. उसका इक्वेशन कैसे लिखेंगे? स्लोप पॉइंट फॉर्म से. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर will be given by y2 minus y1 is equal to m bracket x2 minus x1. Just a moment. y2 is -1, not y2 minus y1, y minus y1. So y minus, what is y1? -1 is equal to m, which is 1 bracket x minus x1, which is -2. Okay, so the equation will become y plus 1 equals x plus 2. So 1 minus 2 is equal to x minus y, or x minus y is equal to -1, which is the equation of the perpendicular bisector. X minus 1 is equal to -1. X minus y is equal to -1, or y is equal to x plus 1. Perfectly fine. ABCD is a rhombus. The coordinates of A and C, let me just draw a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Coordinates of A are 3 by 6, B we don't know, C के coordinate है -1, 2 एंड डी के कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं पता है. राइट डाउन द इक्वेशन ऑफ बी डी. Equation of BD. That is interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw both the diagonals. मेरे को एक डायगोनल के एंड पॉइंट्स के कोऑर्डिनेट दिए, दूसरे डायगोनल का इक्वेशन पूछा है और बोला है कि ये रोम्बस है. इफ इट इज अ रोम्बस then diagonals are perpendicular to each other and they also bisect each other. So can we find the midpoint O of AC? So what are the coordinates of point O? Orally बताओ. 3 minus 1 by 2 and 6 plus 2 by 2, 4. These are the coordinates of the midpoint of AC, and the midpoint of AC, which is O, is also the midpoint of BD. Means O के coordinate gives us the coordinate of the midpoint of BD or a point which is lying on BD. ठीक है. अच्छा, now can we find the slope of AC? Yes. y2 minus y1 upon what is y2 minus y1 in terms of AC? 2 minus 6 upon what is x2 minus x1? Minus 1 minus 3. This is minus 4 minus 4, which is 1. Slope of AC is 1. Therefore, slope of BD कितना होगा? कोई बता सकता है? -1 upon slope of AC, क्योंकि they are perpendiculars. So -1 by 1, which is -1. Correct. Now I know slope of BD and I know the point which is lying on BD. So I will use slope point form to find the equation of BD. So equation of BD will be given by y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. That is y minus, what is y1 in this case? 1. देखो ना ये 1 is equal to m, oh sorry 4, so 4 is y1 and m कितना है? Slope of BD -1 times x minus x1 कितना है? अब इसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. So y minus 4 is equal to minus x plus 1. So y plus x is equal to 4 plus 1. So x plus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 5 is the equation of BD, other diagonal. This chapter is extremely simple and very much scoring, highly scoring. In fact, all the chapters of coordinate geometry in your syllabus, let it be reflection or this one or section midpoint formula, all are scoring, all are easy. This one is especially very much easy. The questions are very small. The final question of the chapter. Can you read? Match the equations A, B, C, D, E with the lines L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Equations are given, lines are given. Let's see कौन कर सकता है. सबसे पहले मैं वो लाइंस देखूंगा जो मुझे इजी लग रही. मुझे L2 बहुत इजी लग रही है. You know L2 क्या है? L2 is a line which is perpendicular to x-axis. The line which is perpendicular to x-axis always has the equation of the form perpendicular to x-axis. Always has equation of the form x is equal to a. Always, because यहाँ पे this distance is a from origin. And what is this? This is the x coordinate. On this line, the y coordinate will always be changing, but x coordinate will always be same. So its equation is x is equal to a. ये तुमने पढ़ा था क्लास 9th में. The line which is perpendicular to x axis has always equation of the form x is equal to a. तो ये फॉर्म में यहाँ पे कौन सा इक्वेशन दिख रहा है? c, x is equal to 8. तो ये क्या है? L2. c क्या है? L2. दूसरी लाइन मुझे दिख रही है L4. सॉरी, oh sorry, good you told. Wait, okay. The second line which I am talking about is L4. What is L4? To y-axis or parallel to x-axis. If a line is perpendicular to y-axis or parallel to x-axis, its equation is always of the form y is equal to minus a. Why minus? Because it is below origin. तो ऐसा कोई है यहाँ पे इक्वेशन y is equal to minus d. तो d क्या हो जाएगा? L4. दो तो हो गए. अब आते हैं हम लोग L3 पे. L3 की खासियत क्या है? L3 के बारे में तुम क्या बोल सकते हो? इट passes थ्रू द ओरिजिन. मतलब ओरिजिन के कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या है? मतलब 0,0 should satisfy one of the equation, not all, only one. तो L2 L4 तो देखो ही मत, बाकी इक्वेशन देखो. 0,0 किसको सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है? सिर्फ a को. सिर्फ a को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है 0,0. बाकी अगर इसमें 0 डाल दो तो 0 is equal to 20, डज नॉट सेटिस्फाई. 0 डाल दो 12 is equal to 0, डज नॉट सेटिस्फाई. तो ये कौन सी लाइन है? दिस इज L3. अब बची दो लाइंस. अब तुम्हें मैं और इजी चीज बताता हूं. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट L5. L5 का खासियत क्या है पता है? दिस थिंग. व्हाट इज दिस? y इंटरसेप्ट. उसका y इंटरसेप्ट पॉजिटिव है. इसमें से किसका y इंटरसेप्ट पॉजिटिव है? y इंटरसेप्ट होता क्या है? y इज इक्वल टू mx प्लस c के फॉर्म में जो c होता है ना, पॉजिटिव होना चाहिए. या तो ये है या तो ये. कौन सा है वो? b है या e है? It is e. Why? Because here if you turn it in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. नहीं यार, ये भी तो हो सकता है. -2x प्लस 20 हो जाएगा ना. इधर ये नहीं होगा, ये -12 बन जाएगा उधर जाके. If you put it in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, you should get a positive constant. That means our line which is L5 has the equation b. तो बचा क्या? e. e क्या है? जिसका y इंटरसेप्ट क्या है? नेगेटिव. तो वो e हुआ ना L1. L3 L5 L2 L4 L1. L3 L5 L2 L4 L1. That's how you look at the line and figure out कि उसका इक्वेशन क्या होगा. इसमें कुछ करना नहीं था. ठीक है. तो ये भी चैप्टर हो गया है. अब हमारा आगे का प्लान बताओ. अभी कल कौन सा चैप्टर शुरू करना है? You want to start with tangents and intersecting chords because that's a big chapter. Circles अपना हो गया है, which I want to revise with you once we finish this tangent. After doing tangent only we can do constructions, because construction depends on tangents. And then we have to do this one also, solids. Similarities तो मैं end में ही रख रहा हूँ क्योंकि that is geometry, going to take time. क्या बात कर रही है? लोकस निकाला है ना? पूरा निकाल दिया. वेरी गुड. तो अभी अपने पास क्या बचता है? नंबर 1 प्रायोरिटी, tangents and intersecting chords. Number 2 solids एंड नंबर 3 सॉलिड्स है ना तुमको? हाँ वही है ना सॉलिड्स, सरफेस एरिया वॉल्यूम। अच्छा, और क्या निकाला है? तो कितना, कितने एक्सरसाइज आ रहे हैं इसमें से? ऐसा कुछ एग्जैक्ट पता है क्या ये पार्ट आ रहा है? क्योंकि स्फीयर इज देयर इन मेनी अदर पार्ट्स। कौन आएगा? सिलेंडर आएगा, और आगे का जो कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड्स है वो, उसमें स्फीयर आता है। फिर तो वो पढ़ा है तुमको? चलो ना, विल डू इट। तो थर्ड इज सिमिलैरिटी। और कुछ बचता है मैथ्स में? एनीथिंग एल्स इज लेफ्ट इन मैथ्स? Nothing. Only these three chapters now. So my first two priorities are these two. I'm not taking similarity in my priority list beforehand. ठीक है? We are done with almost everything in physics except household circuit. ठीक है? तो household circuit is also one chapter which is left. We have to do that. Tangent solids. इसके बाद मैं करूँगा chemistry में electrolysis because that is important. ठीक है? और उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द वीडियो ऑफ कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड। ये मैं तुम्हें पहले ही दे दूंगा, और फिर इसका डिस्कशन करेंगे। डिस्कशन हमें कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड्स और सर्कल्स का करना है यहाँ पे लाइव क्लास में। तो कुछ रैंडम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग ऐसा करेंगे हम लोग। अच्छा, इसके बाद फिजिक्स में हम लोग लेंगे हाउस होल्ड। So that is the plan. ठीक है, I'll stop the recording.